going to sing a song together today from our songboard. Shall we see what we'll choose? I know. The Dinosaur song. Okay, so for this song, you need to do your best impression of a dinosaur. Are you ready? With me? Here we go. Roar! Very good. Although, I think you can do it louder. You ready? Roar! Very good. Okay, so you need to listen carefully to this song because I'm going to give you special instructions. So if I say you need to sound like a sleepy dinosaur, you need to sound like this. Roar. Or if I say that you need to sound like a tiny dinosaur, roar. You need to sound like that. Do you think you can listen carefully and make different sounds? I think you can. Okay, but for this, I need my guitar. Voila! Okay, here we go. So, are you ready? Are you listening carefully? Very good. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone, you need to sound like a dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar! Very good. Okay, you listening carefully? Everyone sound like a grumpy dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar! Very good, grumpy faces. Are you ready for the next one? Here we go. Everyone sound like a quiet dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar. Very good, I can hardly hear you. Are you ready for the next one? Here we go. Everyone sound like a sleepy dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar. Very good. Okay, you ready for the next one? Everyone, you need to sound like a dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar. Everyone, you need to sound like a dinosaur. What do they sound like? They roar. Yay! Well done, everyone. Thank you for singing with me. Bye.